My name is Sally. Today I'm going to talk to you about baking. Baking is a fantastic opportunity for learning language together, and you get something nice to eat at the end. There are lots of new object words, action words, and describing words to use when baking together. Comment on what your child's doing, and don't be afraid to use the words lots and lots of times, as children need to hear new words many times before they'll start to use them in their own talking. We've got the recipe, and some eggs, and a big blue bowl, and some weighing scales. We're weighing the flour, weighing it, seeing how much it weighs. Pouring the sugar into the bowl. Pour. Sugar in the bowl. Oh, Winnie's cracked the egg. Ooh, the egg's going into the cup. Slop. For children who are able to combine words into sentences, baking is a great way to move them to the next level to see if they can explain a sequence of events and tell you what happened when they did their baking. Repeat back what your child said, add a little bit more information to try and get them using longer sentences. If it isn't perfect and the sentence gets a bit muddled up, just repeat it back and model the correct sentence structure. Did you make your bread?
Wash the hands, put the milk in, eggs, and then we added the sugar and the vanilla and the flour, and then we leave it to dry. And now we're doing these.
So first you washed your hands, then you put all the ingredients in a bowl.
Yeah.
Then you left it.
Yeah.
You can start the sentence off and then pause to let your child finish it. This helps them say longer sentences and is a nice alternative to asking questions, which can make children feel a bit under pressure sometimes. And then what will you do next? Cook them in the
oven. Then we're going to cover them up.
Yum. Remember to give lots of choices as a way to encourage spoken language, but by providing the words so it's not quite as tricky. We've got the sugar. Shall we pour it in the bowl or weigh it in the weighing scales? Weigh it in the weighing scales. Yeah. Winnie's pouring sugar. Winnie's pouring sugar. Is the inside hard or slimy?
Slimy.
Oh, slimy egg. Slimy egg. Okay, so next, pour the egg into the
bowl.
Pouring the egg.
In the sugar. No. Into the dairy bowl. Now mix it. Now mix the egg and the sugar together. Baking gives lots of opportunities to use the language of maths. You can count things, you can talk about more than and less than, if things are bigger or smaller. How many buns have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many buns have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Who's got more buns?
Me.
Yeah. One more.